Assalamu alaikum. Regards from Abir Medical Center for Vania, Kuwait. I am Dr. Bibi Dhanan, specialist in orthopedics. 5 exercises which you can do at home during this lockdown period. Exercises are important both for your physical and mental well-being. The 5 steps involved are warm-up, workout, relax, stretch, and feel good. I will be demonstrating this with the help of my friend here. The first step is to do warm-up. Warm-up increases your heartbeat and also increases the circulation to the muscles so that the muscles become seasoned for you to do the exercises. And also the joints become more supple. You move your neck, you rotate your neck so that all the joints in the neck are moving, and then you move your shoulder. Rotate the shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then you move your wrist. The basic idea is to move all your joints and make your muscles ready for your exercise. Now you move your hips. Move it round and round. These movements shouldn't be restricted to just 3 or 4. It should be at least 10 or 15. In the video we are just showing it once or twice, but for the time constraint, but it has to be at least for 10 to 15 seconds. Now you move your knees in both directions. And then finally your ankle. First exercise is squats. The knee shouldn't go forwards. Your body should be straight and you should go vertically down. Push-ups. The hands must be kept at shoulder level and the body should be straight going up. The knee shouldn't bend. If you cannot do the push-ups on the floor, you can do it on the wall. Keep your hands pressed against the wall and do the push-ups, keeping the body straight. For crunches, lie straight with your knee bent and try to lift up your upper body towards your knees. Lunges. In this, you keep your feet forwards. The knee shouldn't go forwards. The ankle and the knee must be in a straight line. The knee and the foot must face forwards and the body must be going vertically downwards, and the body must be straight. The final exercise is the plank, in which you lie down on your tummy, support yourself on your elbow, the body is kept straight, the shoulder width and the elbow width, the distance between the elbows are maintained. The body should be kept straight. You shouldn't lift up your buttocks up. The torso must be straight and hold it for a period of 30 seconds and then in between relax. After these 5 exercises, relax lying down for 1 minute. After you have relaxed for 1 minute, you can do gentle stretches. Stretching the muscles help you ready for all your physical activities during your day. Stretch gently. Stretch your arms. Hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. And then relax. Again, hold your arms upwards. Bend forwards. Stretch your back. Keep your knees straight. Your legs. finally, feel good. Look at a mirror and smile. That completes your 5 steps. Thank you.